AGEN stock analysis and price predictions. Is it a buy? Watch this short 1 minute video till the end to find out. Bro, I'm very excited about this, but Agenus absolutely cooked today. And guess what was my bias 22 hours ago? Well, exactly that. Let me show you the proof. There you go, like 20 hours ago, with only 8 views, which is kind of sick, but yeah, you can see how it absolutely delivered. If I was doing this reviews, man, everyone would have quit for after getting 9 views, right? There you go. That's my bias. Just kind of trying to share proof, and still looking to double down in the same exact manner, as long as the rules are met, you know. So I want to see that confirmation, and if I don't, it's all good. Randomly buying is not going to be an option in my books, at least. So if you want to make more money trading in a simple lean way, click the first link in the description. It's a free newsletter. So I will be seeing you in the next one. Goodbye.